God has just mentioned human nature is very strange and funny. He said, these people, when I bless them, they say, it is our power. We connected this thing, and they say, oh, we are this and that. And when I give them a bad time, losses of this, then they cry, oh, my God is not with me, this and that. God is cruel, this and that. They don't learn from it. Again, when they give them a good time, again they will say, oh, it is due to my logic, my knowledge helped me, this and that. What I want to say, there are people in this world, when they have insecurity, they have a the overcompensation to boost up, to say I am this and this. Actually, they are inside weak, but outwardly they prove that they have power in these things, and money will make them strong. So when the money goes away, and then their persona, the real self, come out, and they sort of cry just like a baby. So these things I've mentioned, 14, 50 years ago in the Quran. It is not today theory that what is the nature of mankind. When I give them, then they are in a different mood, and then when I take them, and they in all respect they want to show that they are great. So please just see how this nature has been described about human nature in this surah.
فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن.
And as for man, when his Lord tries him and thus is generous to him and favors him, he says, my Lord has honored me.
وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن.
But when he tries him and restricts his provision, he says, my Lord has humiliated me.
كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم.
No, but you do not honor the orphan.
ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين.
And you do not encourage one another to feed the poor.
وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما.
And you consume inheritance, devouring it all together.
وتحبون المال حبا جما.
And you love wealth with immense love.
كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا.
No, when the earth has been leveled, pounded and crushed.
وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا.
And your Lord has come, and the angels rank upon rank.
وجيء يومئذ بجهنم. يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى.
And brought within view that day is hell. That day man will remember. But what good to him will be the remembrance?
يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي.
He will say, oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life.
فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد.
So on that day, none will punish as severely as his punishment.